I just got word from Quicksilver. My exhaust is shipping today and I should have it in my hands tomorrow. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Auto Society. A couple new things happened. Just wanted to make a quick video because tomorrow is when I'm getting a package. So we're gonna go ahead and rip apart the R8 on Saturday. So I'm gonna have some camera gear and we'll do a video of the install of the R8. We'll get some before and after audio clips so you can get an idea of what it's gonna sound like. Also got word from the owner of AR Motorworks in California. He's shipping my wheels today, so I should have tracking for that very soon as well. And I also got word today that my suspension for the R8 has arrived at Pag Parts, so that won't get installed on Saturday. I want to make sure that I have enough time to get this video, some time to shoot it and to install it properly, because that car is a disaster to work on. Any exotic car, any supercar is going to be just so difficult to work on because the whole car has to come apart. So I want to do an install video on the exhaust on Saturday, then we'll do the suspension the following Saturday, all of which will be made into a detailed vlog to share with you guys. Probably condensed into one vlog, but we'll see how much time we need for everything. There's also a small issue on the car, so I want to see if we can take care of that before the suspension gets installed, or possibly even when the suspension gets installed, because the whole car is going to be apart, so it'll probably be a little easier to try to work on the car when it's all taken apart for that reason. So that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow when the package comes. I'm out. Something very special just came in from the UK, from a company called Quicksilver. My exhaust. Let's open this bad boy up. This must be soon. Probably a key fob. This is my buddy Arnold. He built the Golf R.
That's me.
That's him.
I thought we were doing video logs.
We're not doing video logs.
What is this?
It's called a vlog.
A vlog.
Yeah.
A video log.
A video blog.
You stay in the car, you.
What's the Golf?
The Golf's
You know what?
The thing about I like it.
Like in a good way or a bad way?
No, it's good.
$3,800 shipped.
It's not bad. It's not a
They
bad
shipped
price.
it. They shipped it yesterday, bro.
Definitely not a bad price for an R8.
No, that's what I thought. And I got straight pipe mode and I got the regular mode, basically.
Okay.
Which I was happy with. Listen, at the end of the day, every other exhaust company was like $7,000. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So
It's just the car you have.
right, exactly. But I heard this exhaust
If
on a
I
new
made
R8.
this exact thing for like a Volkswagen,
Yeah.
it'd be worth like $600.
Right, exactly.
But it's nice. It's nice. I mean, obviously, it's not. It's a lot more complicated than a Volkswagen exhaust.
Right.
This
You know
thing-
what it is too? It's like getting to the exhaust.
Yeah.
That's what also makes it expensive too.
It's a.
It's definitely gonna be fun. It's okay.
Did you?
We can beep things out. We can bleep things out. Don't worry. I actually want to take a look at the Golf because Mirza put that new radio in for me.
Right.
I know it's like petty, but that's what I have to look forward to now because
This is why I want to clean up the shop.
I know. Don't worry. I'll clean it up in post. Ah, there she is. I haven't seen this thing in so long.
Got a tough time starting because it's got E90 in it.
Oh, really?
Cold. But it's cold, it's hard to start.
Right.
Okay.
Is that an issue I'm gonna have when I'm running?
When it's cold.
E85, yeah. So I shouldn't really use that
It's
then.
got like E90 on it. 88%. So
What does it say?
pretty
Oh,
hot.
you know, I forgot I got that fucking gauge. So it's E. Yeah. So that's the ethanol content. That's how that works. Man, look at that! Look at that steering wheel. I forgot about this thing. It's so beaky. I haven't seen it on the car. Oh, I can't wait to get this car back. You have no idea.
Runs great, man.
It sounds louder too. It never sounded like that. Huh?
You know, stuff settles.
Yeah, I guess. We didn't do anything to the exhaust. Maybe besides the piping to the exhaust.
Well, it's been opened up, you know, he boosted like 30 pounds to it. He took
That's right.
literally, he did like, I think 30 pulls. You know, like dialing it in and everything.
Right.
So you see.
Can you give it a rev, or is it's not good for it because it's running lean right now?
Idle, it's fine.
Jesus, the turbo sounds like a jet engine. Dude, that's I cannot wait. You have no idea. I'm so pumped right now. This is killing me.
Just be patient.
Yes, I am. At this point, what else am I gonna do?
Look at the back. It's fucking perfect. 1920.
I really wish I knew what that meant.
Well, that means it's stuff.
Dude, this is
I
crazy.
mean, it's stock. You know, it's everything. The idle stock, run stock. It's got fucking
Oh my god.
E88.
Jesus, listen to that turbo. It's currently 7 a.m. Just loaded up the car with all my gear. Heading out to Pag Parts to get my exhaust installed. Stay tuned. Time for an Audi R8 V10 cold start. That's the last time it's going to sound like that. Unless this thing gives me any headaches today in the install, that's the last time this car is going to sound like that. So when I was here during the week to drop off the exhaust, I said to Arnold, what time should I be here on Saturday? He says, as early as possible. I show up at like 7:30.
It's gonna be fun. Oh no.
Yo, so when I said to you, I'm gonna be here on Saturday, right? What did you say to me? What were your exact words?
I don't remember.
As early as possible. At 7:30 in the morning. I call him, are you still sleeping? Yeah. I said, well, you told me 7:30. No, he told me as early as possible. So he goes to me, yeah, like 9 o'clock. I know. I don't know, I figured mechanic shops open around 8 o'clock. You know?
Not this weekend.
this is why it's so expensive to work on these damn cars. It takes us 20 minutes just to get the thing on the jack, on the lift. And this is also why I assume Arnold likes working on a more average car. Oh, you don't like working on cars, period. Pays the bills though.
I'm in that bathroom.
He likes being the engineer. He likes fabricating parts. He likes, where the hell did I leave my coffee? Oh my god, these tires are totally shot.
Let's look at that.
Yeah. That's what you get for doing donuts. Look at these tires.
These are new when you got it?
No.
Damn, brother.
Yeah. One of them was new, because he got a flat bringing the car. When I bought the car, the guy who sold me the car, he got a flat on the way to dropping the car off at the dealership. So he had to replace a tire. I thought he was gonna replace both tires. It just makes sense on a rear drive bias car. But he only changed one, so I said, you know what am I gonna do with one good tire? I'm gonna buy another one. I'm just gonna destroy both of them. And then I got wheels coming in anyway, so it doesn't matter. You gotta see these wheels, Arnold, you're gonna love them. Actually, I don't know if they're gonna be your style, honestly. LMRs? Yeah. They're not, listen, but then again, I got a convertible, so as long as I'm going track times here. This is before audio clip. R8 is up. That was, not that I did anything, but it wasn't fun. At least looking at Arnold do it, I feel like it's already more than what I'm willing to do on a car. Yeah, these tires are not good. Oh my god.
That's you?
Oh my god. These tires, bro.
Wet out there.
Yeah, it's bad. This is me doing this. This tire was brand spanking new when he gave me the car. Look at this, the chunk's missing. But you are right, it is flat underneath there. Holy.
Like special tires. This guy driving slicks.
So here's the plan of attack. We're gonna drain the oil because they said you have to leave the plugs out for like an hour to let it completely drain. And there's like 3 or 4 plugs on here. So we're gonna let the oil drain and then we're gonna mess around with this bumper. Ah, damn it. That's what I wanted to do and I fucking forgot. Fuck. I almost feel like going home to get it. When this bumper's off, you see this like vent over here? I have an OEM third brake light. So this came in and it's like this much shorter and here is replaced with an actual light. And we gotta wire into the tail light. This is the time to do it too. Because it pops right out, it's so easy. And all you gotta do is tap off one of the brake lights.
So when you go back, I mean when we have it like assembled,
all right.
I'll just leave that off. You can just run home and get it.
Yeah, we do it.
And it depends on what part of the day it is.
Right, exactly. Is the Golf drivable?
Yes.
Is it? If I drive it normal, can I?
Yeah.
I can go back home with that. So then you know what maybe I'll do? Once we get the bumper off, because that'll be the part that you need. I'll run back with the Golf. Damn it! So I totally forgot. I knew I forgot something. This piece right here comes off, right? And I actually have a shorter grill, and this whole like black strip that you see here, that is actually a third brake light. It comes on the European models, and all you should do is tap that into the brake light, and it's actually a really cool look. It's kind of like a rain light. It's LED. It's really, really nice. Damn it. I figured I got everything together today, and I totally forgot about that. I spaced. You know what we got to do too? I got to make sure I have the wheel lock in the car. I'm 99.9999% positive that I do, because when we did the wrap, he took the wheels off, and I didn't move it since, but I got to make sure. So once this car is, I guess, done dripping, we got to look. I think these fender liners got to come out too in order for this to work properly.
It's spinning in there, man.
Yeah, it's not bolted to anything, so this nut's gonna spin, right? We gotta get these three off first, and then the whole assembly should, in theory, come on. So the guy did my wrap, put this carbon fiber wing on for me, but it's weird. I think I ordered the wrong one. I mean, it fits the car, so it's made for the car, but I think I ordered the wrong one because my buddy has one that he got as well from eBay, and it doesn't have these pieces of hardware showing, right? So he had to like just make something just to have it on there. You see how that looks crappy? And it had like some bolt on it, some nut on it. These are actually nice. I don't mind these as much, but the other ones look like crap. Arnold was nice enough to buy me a 1,000 thread count Egyptian cotton sheet to lay my parts onto. Nobody else gets that treatment here. So this part doesn't make it to the internet. Can't have you all expecting that kind of service. I was always that guy when I took apart a bumper that I'd have like 3 or 4 extra parts missing, extra screws left over, you know? And I always think, you don't need them. I'm sure they put extra in there, you know?
Me too.
Thanks. This is coming from the guy who had my Golf R disassembled like 18 times. So let's take a walk. I'm gonna go see the Volkswagen. I'm gonna show you guys what that car looks like during the day. My suspension's down there for the R8. Normally I'd want everything done and sold in one day, but I just don't see it happening. So oh, so excited for this thing. There it is. There it is, there it is. Boom. Beautiful set of DBS LM. There's a maxed in front lip on there. The grill, which needs to be changed actually. European LED tail lights. I got some stupid fender, what do you call those things? Mud flaps, which gotta go. Carbon fiber rear valance, Miltech exhaust, valved. My signature Van Culo sticker, which if you don't know what that means, Google it. You'll be pleasantly or unpleasantly surprised, I should say. So let's give this bad boy a cold start. Yo, look who stopped by. Nick over here. Nick, what are you doing here, bro?
I'm live here. This is my second home.
Let me show you guys what the third brake light looks like. All right, everything's coming along. Everything's getting buttoned up. Right, look at this. All right, so here's the update. Right now, 2:12. We had our lunch. The exhaust is all in. We are now trying to figure out how to get the valves to work off of the key fobs, the remotes that came with them. We think we figured it out. They didn't provide too many instructions, this company, but we think we figured it out. So we'll see what happens. I got Nick here in his big turbo RS3. Let's listen to this thing. I love it, I love it. So the update on the R8 is basically we ran into a little bit of a hiccup with the with installing the whole electrical portion of the exhaust with the whole valves and the key fob and all that stuff. So we're taking a break. He's finishing up the oil, and I'll probably end up coming back to pick it up either later on today or tomorrow at some point. Right now I'm in the Golf R, and I gotta drive this thing at like 50 miles an hour, 60 miles an hour max to try to keep it in vacuum so it doesn't get messed up, because it's right now it's running very, very lean. So that's it. That's my day. We started at like 7:30. We got everything installed for the most part. Got to button up the electrical portion of the install on the exhaust and finish the oil change, and then it's back. So stand by, and I'll be back in a day or so to show you guys the before and after of the sound of the exhaust. All right, that's my day, and just like that, we're ending the vlog. Take care, like and subscribe. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, please leave them down below. Thanks. Have a great day, guys.